Welcome guys to New Finance. In this video, I'm going to be discussing a few things that I think you should definitely hear me out on and hopefully watch this video until the end before you decide to sell or to keep your Ethereum Classics. So in this video, what I'm going to be covering is some bullish new articles that have come out, revealing some new plans that the Ethereum Classic team have that could put Ethereum Classic into a new list of elite cryptocurrencies, and also some bearish outlook as well, and a sort of plan what you should do if that happens. And even if that scenario does occur, the chances of this cryptocurrency recovering and reaching all-time high again is very strong, because in this market, if you've been in cryptocurrencies and stocks, nothing in the markets are 100%. We can only use data, speculation, and market psychology in order to predict and be on the right side of the market and be where the money is moving. So we're going to also talk a little bit on price technicals and also market psychology. So if all this appeals to you and you are holding Ethereum Classic, or you are interested in investing into Ethereum Classic, then please, before we begin, hit that subscribe button and give me a like as well. It helps me out a lot. I'm just another investor just like you. I don't know, I don't have a degree in this or anything. I'm just trying to put a few things together and make it work, and kind of talk about what the my thought process is, because I am heavily involved in this cryptocurrency myself. And before we begin, once again, this is not financial advice, but just my own opinion of what I am doing with my cryptocurrency, Ethereum Classics. And you should do your own research. I'll leave a link to these articles in the description as well for you to have a look yourself and make your own decision based on those analysis. So first of all, I'm gonna just talk about the current price right now. Just before I started this video, it was trading around 125 USD, and it's gone above that, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, which is 127, and now that acting as a support rather than resistance. So it's kind of good news already. I want to next touch on this article, which was released a few days ago, and it is talking about why Ethereum Classic is moving up over 300% in the last few days. And the main thing I want to talk about, it talks about how it's alt season, and the bullish factor being the fact that people are thinking Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum, which in a way it is, but Ethereum, some people are thinking, oh, Ethereum Classic is going to overtake Ethereum, and all of this. Market speculations are crazy, but which that did play a factor into the price of Ethereum Classic going up. But then one thing that stood out to me that this analyst was talking about is how Ethereum is also going to move to POS from POW. This will further push ETC to an elite club. So what this POS and POW stands for is, POW is proof of work, so it requires huge amounts of energy, with miners needing to sell their coins to ultimately foot the bill, to afford to continue mining Ethereum Classic. So and they are moving to another model called POS, which is part of a more elite group of cryptocurrencies, which gives mining power based on the percentage of coins held by miners, which makes the whole ecosystem for Ethereum and Ethereum Classic more stable, which means people don't have to panic sell constantly to be able to keep up with their costs, which means more people are going to be holding to Ethereum Classic in the long term, causing the price per coin to go up. And then this analyst also spoke about how Ethereum Classic is predicted to continue to rise, and they are setting a goal of $1,000 per coin. It is visible, and it's possible, not because of the use case for Ethereum Classic, because there are a few, but because of the fundamental of market psychology and the progress that's going on with the Ethereum Classic system itself. I also came across this Ethereum Classic sort of bearish article here where they speak about where Ethereum Classic could go if it does dip down and what price levels you should be watching. The psychological price level of £100, $100, very important, which you should be watching. And then if it does dip below that, it will be $50. And let me tell you, even if it does reach $50 or dips below $100, let me show you the graph from the past 3-4 days. Okay, so it went up to $150 and came all the way down to 90, and most of you, including myself, would have thought, okay, that was just a flash pump, and okay, it's gonna go sideways or continue going down, just judging by how fast they come. But no, it it moved up just to prove us wrong again, and form another all-time high there. So for me, even if it dips below 100, I am certainly confident that it will, with the advances that are happening within the ecosystem of Ethereum, that it will go up. And even if nothing else happened to Ethereum, the way the Ethereum Classic, I mean, even if nothing happens to Ethereum Classic, the way Ethereum itself is moving and is predicted to move higher, it will pull this cryptocurrency along with it. So keep an eye out on that as well. Then we'll talk about how it currently is sitting around these support, using the 0.618 as the support line, and the next target would be to reach 150 and then beyond. So at this point, if you're in and you've bought at perhaps $100, or even in the highs of 150 to 170, I would say psychologically it's very hard, it's painful at this point. But what would be even more painful if you sold here and then it dipped down a little bit more, and then it just shot up back to another all-time high. So even if it does dip further down, the chances of it going up are a lot more higher than it going further back, testing all these prices below $50. So it all comes down to market psychology, your own belief, and you doing your own research into the cryptocurrency, and also judging the market. Where is the market heading? Where is the crypto market as a whole? We're in alt season where this is going. So I don't see anything slowing down at this point, and Bitcoin is heating up for another spike to go upwards, make another all-time high, and that will trickle down to Ethereum and Ethereum Classic potentially as well. So in the short term, I definitely think this cryptocurrency is capable of reaching 200 $200, if not within the next few months, within by the end of the year, and $1,000 is not crazy. It's not crazy, just considering that Ethereum continues to raise in prices as well. Okay. Um, so today has been a weird one because of what is going on with Elon Musk and Dogecoin, and it's not only Ethereum Classic that's hurting sort of in not making much gains today. It's across the whole board, but still doing really well. It started the day at 16th in the market rank, currently 15th, with a 24-hour low of 109 and 24-hour high of 133. So once again, it just all boils down to how much psychological power you have to hold on and to believe in the investment you've made. So whatever you're invested in, you shouldn't be, first of all, you shouldn't be invested in this with your life savings that you're scared of, because the risk in this is very high. So whatever you're invested should be something that you're prepared to lose. So if you're logging into your app, into your portfolio every time, and you're getting anxiety, then that's when you know that you have too much invested. So it should be something that you're prepared to lose. But at the same time, the odds of it succeeding is very high as well. Um, so hold on, and let's ride out this wave. So yeah, guys. To me, that's all good news. That the fact that um, Ethereum as a whole is moving to a POS model, and also these analysts saying these positive things about it, and also being invested with an amount of money that you're prepared to lose is another thing that makes you comfortable in whatever that you're invested in. So um, otherwise is literally a gamble. You might as well go to a casino and you'll probably, have better odds of making money than just putting all your eggs in one basket of one cryptocurrency. So, guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you hold in there strong. With having done your own research, because what I went through is my research and is no way, shape, or form financial advice for you. But what will definitely help me out if you subscribe and give this video a like, and stay tuned for more videos, as I will be making more to keep you guys updated on what goes on with Ethereum Classic and other cryptocurrencies that I am personally invested in. So you guys, please leave a comment what you're doing with your position, when you got some skin in the game, and what your plan is for the coming months and years. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.